Is the Supreme Court here behind me about to make it easier for oppressed white guys like me to sue for discrimination? Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people who've been fired or afraid they might be in Virginia, Maryland, North Carolina, and Washington, D.C. We represent federal workers nationwide. The short answer is yes. The case has not been decided, but the court just heard oral arguments in the case of Ames versus the Ohio Department of Youth Services. Ms. Ames, who is straight, was denied a promotion and later demoted, and in both instances, those positions were filled by people who were not straight, and she sued, claiming that she had been discriminated against on the basis of her sexual orientation. The lower court decided that she had not met her burden because in some circuits in the United States, courts have held that if you are a member of a majority class, so if you're white or you're straight, in order to succeed on a discrimination claim, you have to show that there are background circumstances that show that the employer was the rare one that discriminates against people in a majority class. This could be, statistical evidence. This could be pattern and practice evidence. It's got to be more than just a single incident. And this case has now been heard by the Supreme Court. And the argument is that this is improper standard to use under Title VII, which is the law that would apply here, and that that no person should have to show extra background, additional background circumstances. It's almost assured that the court is going to decide in her favor. There's bipartisan support for this. Not only did the Trump administration support it in a brief, but the Biden administration did as well. So does this mean we'll open the floodgates for more people to bring discrimination claims, particularly people who are in majority classes? It could be. Again, not all circuits used this test. For example, the Fourth Circuit, where Virginia and Maryland are, does not. So oppressed white guys like me have been able to sue for some time. But with the emphasis on, the skepticism about DEI programs and this ruling, we may see more people who are in majority classes running to the courthouse steps to bring discrimination claims. So stay tuned.